Okay, so if you're running a service business, you know what I'm talking about, right? You're not just the expert, you're the receptionist, you're the accountant, you're even the marketing department. It's a lot. So today we're going to look at a smart scheduling solution that's designed to bring some real order back into that chaos. Just picture this for a second. You're deep in focus with a client, and your phone starts buzzing off the hook. At the same time, someone's at the front desk waiting to pay, and an email just popped up from someone who needs to reschedule. Sound familiar? Yet for so many owners of clinics, salons, and studios, that's just Tuesday. It is a nonstop, chaotic juggling act. So let me just ask you straight up. Are you tired of that feeling? You know, the constant game of catch-up, where it feels like your schedule and maybe your sanity is just hanging on by a thread? Look, it's a super common feeling in the service industry. And honestly, it's usually a sign that your systems are working against you, not for you. And you know what's wild? How universal these frustrations are. It doesn't matter if you run a clinic, a salon, or even a cleaning service. These pain points probably hit close to home. I mean, think about it. Every single missed call, that's potentially a lost client. Chasing down payments is just wasted time. And that endless back and forth trying to reschedule, it just drains the energy you could be using to actually grow your business. But what if you could actually flip that script? Go from that state of constant chaos to one of, well, calm control. The good news is, you can. There are tools built exactly for this. So let's dive into one of them. Okay, so this is XBook. Now, on the surface, it's a smart scheduling platform, but really, it's trying to be a whole lot more than just a digital calendar. It's designed to be the central hub for your service-based business, taking aim at all those frustrations we were just talking about. And this is the really important part. This isn't some generic one-size-fits-all software. No way. It's a booking solution that was built from the ground up for the specific demands of businesses where your time is literally money and keeping clients happy is everything. So how does it actually do all this? Well, the core idea is pretty simple, but it's really powerful. It's all about bringing everything, and I mean everything, into one single dashboard that's easy to manage. No more jumping between 5 different apps just to get through your day. It really zeroes in on 3 key pillars: managing your schedules, making payments a breeze, and organizing all your staff's availability, all in one spot. It's that kind of integration that is designed to just fundamentally cut down on the daily chaos. All right, let's break down the practical benefits. All-in-one appointment management. That means you get a crystal clear view of your entire schedule at a glance. The system takes care of all the rescheduling and even sends out automatic reminders to your clients, which is huge for cutting down on no-shows. And on top of that, you get a branded booking page, which gives your clients this really professional, smooth experience right from the second they decide to book with you. Okay, so managing the business you have is one thing, but what about actually growing it? This is where automation really becomes a game changer. It's not just about saving you some time. It's about actively capturing business you might be losing right now. Just think about it. With a manual system, every single time you miss a call because you're busy, that's a potential client gone. But with automation, your business is basically open for bookings 24/7. You can capture every single opportunity, even when you're not physically there to pick up the phone. And here's a perfect example of how that works. Imagine a new client wants to book with you. They go to your online page and book an appointment while you're in the middle of a session. Instead of that turning into a missed call that you have to chase down later, boom, you get an instant notification that client is booked, they're confirmed, and they're in your system. This seriously cuts down the chances of losing out on revenue. So really, the main takeaway here is all about simplification. The whole idea is that by automating all these admin tasks, you can finally take back control of your time. You can get back to focusing on the parts of your business that you're actually passionate about. At the end of the day, the goal is simple. Simplify. Just get rid of all the unnecessary complexity, that administrative headache, so your business can run smoothly and, more importantly, grow. So, this really brings us to the final question, and it's for you. Are you ready to trade all that chaos for some real control? If this sounds like something you want to explore, you can get a free demo. Just reach out on WhatsApp or visit their website. We really hope this has given you some great insights into what a smart scheduling solution can do for you.